Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today, I will share with you the meaning of Surah Al-Baqarah, the longest surah of the Holy Quran. This surah was revealed in Medina after our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam migrated there. And it teaches us how to live with faith, honesty and discipline. Let us begin the spiritual journey. People in this world are of three kinds. The first are the believers, those whose hearts are soft, who pray with peace, and who give from what Allah has given them. The second are the disbelievers, who reject the truth even when it stands clearly before them. And the third group, the most dangerous, are the hypocrites, who say, "We believe," but inside their hearts are empty. This beginning tells us one message: Allah sees our hearts, not our words. The surah then takes us back to the creation of Adam alayhi salam. Allah created him with honor, taught him knowledge, and asked the angels to bow as a sign of respect. All bowed except Shaitan. He refused out of arrogance and became the enemy of humanity. Adam alayhi salam made a mistake, but he repented, and Allah forgave him. This teaches us that Allah is merciful to those who return to Him. A large part of Surah Baqarah tells the history of Bani Israel. Allah blessed them with prophets, miracles, and guidance, yet many of them disobeyed and argued endlessly. Through their stories, Allah warns us, don't repeat the mistakes of those who had the truth but ignored it. The surah gets its name from the story of a cow. A murder took place among the people of Musa alayhi salam. Allah commanded them to sacrifice a cow. Instead of obeying, they began asking unnecessary questions. What kind of cow? What color? What age? Their questions made a simple command difficult. From this story, we learn to obey Allah with a pure heart without unnecessary complications. Obey Allah with trust. Don't make things harder than they are. Another major event in this surah is the change of Qibla. Muslims were praying towards Jerusalem. Then Allah commanded the Prophet ﷺ to turn towards the Kaaba. True believers obeyed immediately, but hypocrites began to doubt and complain. This even separated sincere believers from pretenders. Surah Baqarah then gives many rules that make life peaceful. Pray regularly, spend in charity, earn halal, avoid interest, be fair in marriage and divorce, be kind to orphans, be honest in business. These teachings protect us spiritually, emotionally, and financially. These are not restrictions. They are protection for families, money, and communities. The surah narrates inspiring stories of prophets. Ibrahim as-salam was tested again and again, yet he remained patient. He and Ismail as-salam built the Kaaba and prayed for the future Ummah. Then there is the story of Talut and Jalut, where a small group defeated a giant enemy with Allah's help. From this story emerges Dawud as-salam, who defeats Jalut with the help of Allah. There is also the story of a man whom Allah put to sleep for 100 years and then revived to show that resurrection is real. These stories strengthen the heart and increase faith. As the surah comes to an end, Allah gives comforting words. Allah does not burden a soul more than it can bear. Every test in your life has a purpose. Every pain has wisdom. Every hardship has mercy. The surah closes with two powerful du'as, asking Allah for forgiveness, strength and guidance. It feels like a warm embrace from Allah, reminding us that He is always with us. This is the story of Surah Al-Baqarah, a journey of faith, patience, obedience and guidance. May Allah help us follow its teachings. Ameen.